Is your kitchen counter a cluttered mess? Pots everywhere, dishes piling up, and zero counter space left? Yeah, we've all been there. Today, I'm showing you the 7 best small kitchen storage racks under $30 that will completely transform your kitchen organization in 2026. These are compact, affordable, and actually work, no matter how small your kitchen is. Let's dive in. Meet Remission's expandable oversing drying rack, small but mighty. Adjustable width from 11.4 to 17.5 inches, fits most sinks. Just slide, twist, lock, fits, single, double, thick rims. Depth only 4.13 inches, tucks neatly. Saves countertop space. 304 stainless steel construction resists rust, stains, daily kitchen abuse. Hollow grid drains water straight into sink, no puddles. Open grid cleans easier than solid bases, think breathable sponge. Non-slip silicone pads and rubber feet keep rack firmly planted. Plate slot secure dishes, fewer toppling disasters, fewer excuses. Removable utensil caddy organizes cutlery, no more drawer fishing. Fast tool-free install. Loosen, slide, tighten, snap, 1 minute. Senior-friendly setup like adjusting a picture frame, simpler. Lightweight, yet sturdy, behaves like a compact elephant. Fits tiny kitchens, studios, RVs, perfect for urban minimalists. Capacity example, holds up to 8 plates, 6 bowls, 4 cups. Slide-out design directs drips directly into sink zero pooling. Brushed chrome finish elevates aesthetics minimalist, modern, versatile. Easy upkeep, wipe, rinse, and your rack looks showroom. Durable welds and reinforced frame handle everyday kitchen loads. Use oversing, inside sink, or on countertop flexible. Ideal for renters and housewarmings, gift that clears counters. Restaurant or home, it scales food service prep approved. Telescoping handles twist to lock, secure fit every time. Anti-slip feet protect sink edge and keep stability intact. No tools, no fuss, no soggy counters, pure efficiency. Compact footprint frees workspace more room for meal creativity. Stainless 304 means longevity like armor for your dishes. Built for daily use, dependable like your morning coffee. Modern silver finish blends with farmhouse, industrial, contemporary kitchens. Upgrade counter space today, install in 60 seconds. Guaranteed. Think bigger racks always dry dishes faster? Think again. Bulky racks waste counter space and trap water underneath. I'm a kitchen storage specialist with years optimizing small spaces. Small kitchens need efficient, compact solutions, not oversized setups. Meet the LaveShop Small Dish Drying Rack. Compact design, exactly 16.6 by 6.5 by 7.5 inches. Check dimensions. Narrow footprint maximizes counter space. Ideal for small kitchens. Holds up to 8 plates, pans, bowls, glasses, cutlery. Adjustable back slots customize spacing for lids and pans. Move dividers easily to fit odd-shaped lids and cookware. Angled drip tray directs water straight into the sink efficiently. No more puddles or countertop damage from dripping water. Built with carbon steel and rust-resistant coating for longevity. Stable construction prevents wobble, safe for plates and pans. Assembly takes minutes. No tools required. Clear, simple instructions. Removable utensil caddy and elevated feet add practical convenience. Sleek matte black base with stainless dividers fits modern kitchens. Compact profile works in apartments, RVs, tiny homes, and cafes. I tested it with daily dishes and cookware loads. Plates dried upright, lids stored neatly, sink stayed dry. Even pans fit when you adjust the back slot spacing. Drainage spout prevented overflow during heavy rinsing cycles. Materials resisted rust after repeated exposure to water. Design reduces clutter, making counters feel cleaner and larger. Great option when saving space doesn't mean sacrificing function. Remember to double-check dimensions before purchasing for fit. Ideal for singles, couples, busy households, and mobile living. Professional recommendation. Choose LaveShop for compact, efficient drying. Click to buy or learn more about size details now. Cut countertop clutter. Make small kitchens work smarter today. Dishes piled high, countertops cluttered. Finding lids becomes stressful. Cabinet shelves chaotic. plates and cutting boards slide and scratch. Wet plates take forever to dry in cramped spaces. Limited counter space means compromises and daily frustration. Pots, lids, and books compete for the same shelf space. Standard racks tip easily. Cups and bowls risk falling. Storage feels inefficient. Finding items wastes precious time. Many organizers are plastic, unattractive, or quickly degrade. Busy kitchens need a durable, compact, eco-friendly solution. Introducing Samabuteco Bamboo Plate Rack, a thoughtful countertop organizer. Natural bamboo construction brings warmth, strength, and water resistance. Compact dual-rail design fits countertops, cabinets, and small RV spaces. 2-pack set doubles organization. Separate zones for plates and lids. Each rack supports up to 80 pounds of weight. 6 slots per rack hold plates, lids, cutting boards securely. 10 vertical pegs provide adjustable, scratch-free upright storage. Minus-tolerance peg design ensures tight, tool-free assembly. Foldable, removable pegs make cleaning and reconfiguration effortless. Wide anti-tip base maintains balance on busy countertops. Ventilated design promotes faster air drying, reducing moisture buildup. Minimalist natural finish blends with modern and rustic kitchens. Enjoy tidy counters and effortless access to everyday dishes. Save cabinet space. Organize lids, pans, trays, and cutting boards. Protect plates and cookware from scratches with gentle bamboo pegs. Assembly takes seconds. No tools required, just a firm twist. Eco-friendly bamboo reduces plastic waste and elevates kitchen aesthetics. Ideal for small apartments, cafes, RVs, and busy households. Durable enough for daily use, yet lightweight to move easily. 2-pack value ensures organized zones throughout your kitchen instantly. Invest in calm, clutter-free cooking spaces with Samabuteco Bamboo. Steam fogs the kitchen window, pots bubbling, chaos, and love. I used to juggle lids, spoons, and little hands. Meals were warm, but counters always felt messy and stressed. Then I found a small helper that changed everything. XCCK stainless lid holder became our trusted kitchen companion. Sleek silver, sturdy 304, stainless, simple, reliable, quietly beautiful. It holds hot lids upright, keeps spills off counters. Dual slots fit most lids, from small to large. There's a neat spot for your spatula or spoon. Removable drip tray catches every drop, cleaning made simple. No assembly needed, ready to use, straight from box. Compact vertical design saves space, yet feels surprisingly solid. The upgraded PP drip tray is durable and dependable. Heat-resistant, rust-resistant, 304 steel stands up to daily life. On busy weeknights, it became our calm center. Kids could reach spoons, lids stayed upright and safe. No more frantic towel grabs, no more sticky counters. Cooking felt less chaotic, more like shared moments. This little rack protects time, not just surfaces. It keeps tools within reach, so conversations continue. Every saved minute becomes another story, another laugh. Perfect for small kitchens, busy chefs, and loving homes. Space-saving, stylish, and thoughtfully designed for real families. I love its non-slip base and clean chrome finish. It feels like a tiny act of everyday care. A simple tool that honors busy days and small joys. Bring warmth back to your kitchen, one lid at a time. Invite the XCCK holder into your home today. Keep counters shining and conversations flowing every meal. Small change, big comfort. Cook with more heart. Tired of wobbly pan stacks? Compare before you buy. Standard racks, tilt, scratch pans, and waste cabinet, vertical space. Cheap organizers lack load capacity and adjustable shelf spacing. Stacked pans mean digging, scratches, and unstable heavy skillets. Mudila 4 tier organizer fixes those exact kitchen storage problems. Heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 88 pounds total. Holds 22 pounds per tier. Supports cast iron confidently. Adjustable tiers let you customize spacing for each pan. Double Eagle Co. tight snap-on design locks shelves securely. No tools required assembly completes in just 2 minutes. Anti-slip, anti-scratch bases protect cookware and keep stable. Fits cookware up to 12 inches, including skillets and lids. Important, Rack measures 9.67 by 15.75 by 8.66 inches. Measure cabinet interior before ordering to ensure proper fit. Recommend minimum cabinet space after loading, 12.6 by 17.7 by 10.98. Don't forget to account for panhandles and clearance. Versus fixed racks, Mood Dealer adjusts, saves vertical space efficiently. Versus open stacks reduces scratching and makes access faster. Versus heavy built-ins, portable, modular, and easy to reconfigure. Watch shelves adjust to fit pans, lids, and Dutch ovens. Stack cast iron securely. No wobble, no leaning, no sliding. Use on countertop, in cabinet, pantry, or even under sink. Space-saving design frees counters, improves kitchen workflow instantly. Retail-grade powder-coated finish looks sleek and resists corrosion. Perfect for renters, small kitchens, professional chefs, and homes. If cabinet meets recommended dimensions, this is ideal choice. Prioritize measuring width, height, depth, and handle clearance first. Order Mood Dealer for stable vertical storage and less clutter. Click now to check dimensions, availability, and customer reviews. Make your kitchen neater, safer, and more efficient today. Kitchen counters cluttered, utensils scattered. Finding tools takes forever. Cabinet space overflowing, drawers jammed. Daily cooking feels chaotic. Renters avoid drilling, walls left unused, storage limited. Mugs slipping, towels crumpled, hooks that rust or break. Small kitchens lack organization. Every inch must be optimized. Bathrooms need neat hanging for brushes, loofahs, and dryers. Traditional racks require tools, time, and damage to walls. Adhesives fail, hooks fall, utensils crash to the floor. Finding keys or headbands becomes an unnecessary daily hassle. Meet 9DOB Lone Koku wall-mounted rail, sleek, matte black powder-coated metal. 6 movable S-hooks provide flexible, customizable hanging options instantly. Transparent, heavy-duty adhesive mounts allow drill-free installation on tiles. Compatible with smooth, hard surfaces. Glass, ceramic, marble, metal, reinforced powder-coated steel resists rust, supporting up to 4 kilograms. Slim top rail maximizes unused wall and door space efficiently. No tools required. 2 adhesives per rack for secure holding. Hooks slide and detach easily for quick rearrangement and cleaning. Baking varnish finish is environmentally friendly and corrosion-resistant. Designed for renters, homeowners, hotels, salons, and small businesses. Transform cluttered countertops into tidy, accessible vertical storage instantly. Reduce time searching utensils. Cooking becomes smoother and calmer. Protect walls from damage ideal for rental properties. Create dedicated spots for keys, mugs, towels, brushes, and pans. Durable construction keeps heavy utensils secure without sagging. Minimalist matte black design blends seamlessly with modern home decor. Space-saving solution frees drawers and cabinets for other uses. Easy installation means immediate organization, no handyman necessary. 2-pack offers double the storage or flexible placement options. Affordable upgrade to everyday life. Neatness improves mood and efficiency. Order NMG Koku hooks today, simplify, organize, and reclaim space. Morning light spills on cluttered counter. You sigh softly. Those mismatched shelves couldn't hold your family's busy mornings. Meet KikiBro, expandable shelf. Small, strong, and caring. Adjusts from 17 to 27 inches, fits your space. Stack modules easily to create more levels and calm. Heavy-duty steel holds up to 80 pounds confidently. Place pots, plates, appliances, everything stable, everything safe. Anti-slip feet and reinforced joints protect fragile family favorites. Minimalist white design brings warmth, peace to your kitchen. Also doubles as a monitorizer for cozy workstations. Elevate your screen. Reclaim under-shelf space for little things. Assembly is simple. 6 screws. Under 5 minutes. No fuss, no stress. Perfect for busy mornings. Durable stainless steel, built to last through family seasons. Expandable width and adjustable height adapt to life. Use it in pantry, cabinet, countertop, endless possibilities. Perfect for small apartments, cafes, Airbnbs, and home cooks. Replacement guaranteed, we include every accessory for you. If anything missing, KikiBro quickly sends free parts. More order at home means softer evenings together. Less searching, fewer spills, more time for a hug. Imagine calm counters, smiling cooks, children reaching safely, every shelf whispering, "We've got you, we've got this." Compact when needed, expandable when life fills the shelf. Organized spaces invite shared meals and gentle conversations. A small change that makes daily moments kinder. Choose KikiBro thoughtful design for family simplicity. Bring home order today. Feel the calm tonight. Tap to buy. Create space for loving everyday rituals. KikiBro steady support. Small shelf, big heart. There you go, 7 small kitchen storage racks that are big on organization and easy on your wallet. Every single one is under $30 and linked right down below in the description, so you can grab yours today. If this video saved you some counter space and your sanity, go ahead and hit that like button. Leave a comment telling me which rack you're adding to your kitchen, and don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly home finds. See you in the next one.